Hello, friends, and today let us look into how do you do stock checking in Incluziv Cloud. There are multiple ways in which you can check stocks in Incluziv Cloud, and today we're going to learn how are we going to be able to do all of that while checking stock. Once you log into Incluziv Cloud, you have an inventory menu on top. And going from inventory, you can search the stocks collection wise. So say, for example, if I select a collection and a serial number, I can see the total stock, the vendor-wise product details, the pricing, the piece-wise details. I can see the rack location of the piece, the lot number of the fabric. So say, for example, if I've got three rolls or cuts of the same lot number, I can tell the customer that I do have so much meters in a certain lot number. Now, on clicking the piece number, I also get the history of the piece. How many times was the piece cut? Who was the piece billed to? What was the invoice number? If there's been any split in the piece, what is the splitting length, etc. I can also modify, do stock modifications, stock adjustments right away from here. I don't need to get into those specific menus. Apart from this, we also have a collection-wise search. So now you can see all your collections. So you can see a certain collection has got so many pieces. When you click on the collection, you get serial number-wise stock. So, and when you click on a particular serial number, you get piece number-wise stock. So you can click on the piece number further and see the history of the piece. So you really don't have to get into any other segment to look into the inventory. So your total inventory is available at a single click from your inventory tab. Apart from this, you can do piece-wise inventory search. So you can copy a piece. The square mark denotes a copy. And if I want to do a piece-wise search, I can do a piece-wise search as well. And if I am one of those who uses a vendor piece number, because some distributors do, you can also search by a vendor's piece number. So in case you have got a missing stock or there's a quality problem, you can search by vendor's piece number. You can also search by product name. So say, for example, this is 22104. So if I select and I search on this, I will see the product and then I can go deeper into the product and search the pieces available on the product. I can also see the cumulative and the warehouse-wise stock on the same product. We also have an archiving system in our place wherein if a piece has been archived, you can see its history from the archived section as well. So it's very easy to check up on the pieces. While you're entering a sales order, you can see the cumulative stock and the number of pieces. And here you have this small icon, which when you click, gives you the piece-wise breakdown of all that is available. So you have a full roll and you have a 10-meter cut piece and a 1-meter piece lying in certain racks in the warehouse. And you know whether they belong to the same lot or not, because if they belong to, then you can use them together. And you also have a system wherein you can put in the scan date. That is the last date on which this piece was either modified or it was stock adjusted. This helps in identifying whether the piece is true to length or not. Once you see these details, you can easily go back and tell the customer that whether you have the stock or not. So wasn't that simple? Keep learning, keep working with Incluziv Cloud.